clamp to the wood. That way the plank doesn't try to come out. Make sure it's tight. And then you steer from this way. Have it over at least 12 inches. This is a 16-foot 2x12. And you can see there's another hole over there. There's a rope in it. And tied it to the ladder. So this is secure. There's no way this thing can fall or slip out the ladder. You gotta make sure you're not so fat that you're gonna snap the wood in half right there. I'm under 200 pounds, I'm 190, so I should be fine. Up there and get myself. Alright, so it started raining on me, so I didn't get to finish the primer and paint of that section I did, but you can see where I did and how the plank is set up. The ladder and the plank, and you can see it. I think this is a 7/12 pitch roof right here, roughly. See if I can get a shot up there. So yeah, that's a, it's 11-foot ceiling, so it's quite high to get up there once you're on the roof. You have to have a plank. There's no way you could reach that soffit without one. So next is primer and paint, and I'll take a video after and make a new video and upload it to YouTube when I'm done.